The 2008 Honda Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: cruise control, 4-wheel drive, 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, 4-wheel ABS, power door locks, trip computer, security system, power windows, security package, child-proof rear door locks. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.